Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to the picturesque city of Bergen, Norway. Cradled on the southwestern coastline of the country, Bergen is a city where the old-world charm seamlessly blends with modern vibrancy. Its rich history unfolds in its cobblestone streets, ancient buildings, and lively markets. A city nestled among 7 hills, Bergen is famously known as the gateway to the fjords. The city's dramatic landscape, where the mountains meet the sea, creates a backdrop that is nothing short of spectacular. But Bergen is more than just its postcard-perfect scenery. It's a city bursting with culture, history, and an infectious zest for life. From its world-famous landmarks to its bustling night scene, from its mouth-watering cuisine to its quaint, cozy cafes, Bergen promises an experience that is as diverse as it is unforgettable. So, buckle up for a virtual journey around the top 10 things to do in this Nordic gem. Starting with the historic heart of Bergen, Bryggen. A relic of the past that stands tall and proud, Bryggen is more than just a collection of colourful wooden houses. It's a living testament to Bergen's rich history and a symbol of the city's resilience. Imagine walking down a street that's been around since the 14th century. Picture yourself strolling amidst structures that have survived numerous fires and the relentless passage of time. That's Bryggen for you. A maze of narrow alleyways and charming old-world architecture. It's as if you've stepped back in time, right into the Middle Ages. Bryggen isn't just a feast for the eyes. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This status isn't handed out lightly. It's a recognition of Bryggen's historical and cultural significance. And once you're here, it's not hard to see why. But there's more to Bryggen than just its outward charm. Inside these wooden walls are stories waiting to be discovered. And the best place to uncover these tales? The Hanseatic Museum and Slottstuene. The Hanseatic Museum is housed in one of Bryggen's oldest and best-preserved wooden buildings. Here, you can get a glimpse into the lives of the Hanseatic merchants who lived and worked here centuries ago. Just a stone's throw away is Slottstuene, the assembly rooms where these merchants gathered to eat, warm up and conduct meetings. These rooms, with their large fireplaces and sturdy wooden tables, are a tangible link to the past. Each corner of Bryggen, each creaking wooden board, each weathered brick tells a story. It's a living, breathing history book that invites you to step in and explore. So, are you ready to walk down the lanes of history, to feel the pulse of the past beneath your feet, to be a part of something that's larger than life itself? Bryggen, a place where history comes alive in the most vibrant way possible. Next, elevate your Bergen experience by riding the Floyen funicular. This is not just a mode of transportation, but an adventure that combines a thrilling journey with awe-inspiring views. As you embark on this exciting ride, you'll feel a gentle tug pulling you upwards, and in a matter of minutes, you'll find yourself ascending the steep slopes of Mount Floyen. The Floyen funicular is one of Norway's most celebrated attractions, and for good reason. Its charm lies in the perfect blend of modern technology and timeless natural beauty. The ride is an experience that seamlessly merges the urban landscape of Bergen with the wild beauty of Norwegian nature. As the funicular glides upwards, the panorama of the city unfolds beneath you. The colourful rooftops of Bergen gradually shrink, transforming into a vibrant patchwork quilt, nestled between the sparkling fjords and towering mountains. You'll see the bustling fish market, the historic Bryggen, and the many charming wooden houses that give the city its unique character. Once at the top, the view is nothing short of breathtaking. Bergen, often referred to as the city among 7 mountains, reveals itself in all its glory. The city's beautiful architecture is framed by the stunning backdrop of fjords, and on a clear day, you can see as far as the North Sea. Take a moment to soak in the serene beauty of the Norwegian landscape, a sight that will surely etch itself in your memory. But the journey doesn't end at the summit. Mount Floyen is a gateway to numerous walking trails that snake through the Norwegian wilderness. From tranquil forest paths to panoramic viewpoints, the mountain offers experiences that cater to all types of explorers. As you descend back to the city, the funicular offers a different perspective, a bird's-eye view that slowly zooms in on the heart of Bergen. It's a gentle reminder of the city's charm and vibrancy, a sight that will make you fall in love with Bergen all over again. A ride on the Floyen funicular is an experience that will lift you to new heights. It's a journey that encapsulates the spirit of Bergen, a city where nature and culture intertwine in the most beautiful ways. For food lovers, the fish market in Bergen is a paradise. Imagine, if you will, an array of vibrant stalls, each one brimming with a cornucopia of fresh seafood. From the daily catch of gleaming fish to the buckets teeming with shellfish, the sheer variety of seafood is a sight to behold. The fish market is not just a place to buy seafood, it's a place to experience it. Here you can watch as skilled vendors expertly fillet a fish or shuck an oyster with the precision of a surgeon. It's a fascinating spectacle that showcases the craftsmanship that goes into preparing these delicacies. When you visit the fish market, you're not just a spectator, you're a participant. You're invited to taste the freshest Norwegian produce, plucked straight from the icy depths of the Norwegian Sea. From the sweet flesh of a king crab to the delicate flavor of a scallop, each bite is a testament to the bounty of the sea. Of course, it's not just about the seafood. The fish market is also a hotspot for local produce. You'll find stalls selling a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other local products, making it a great place to sample the flavors of Norway. The fish market is more than just a market, it's a celebration of Norwegian food culture. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in local flavor, learn about the country's culinary traditions, and taste the freshest seafood imaginable. The fish market where you can taste the bounty of the Norwegian Sea. Step back in time at the Bergenhus Fortress. This regal fortress, nestled on the harbor's edge, is a testament to Bergen's rich and tumultuous history. It's one of the oldest and best-preserved fortresses in Norway, and it's brimming with tales of Vikings, kings, and wars fought long ago. The fortress's strategic location at the entrance of Bergen's harbor has given it a pivotal role in the city's defense over the centuries. Standing tall, it has seen countless ships sail in and out, carrying stories of trade, exploration, and conflict. Within its sturdy stone walls, you'll find a collection of medieval buildings that have stood the test of time. The Rosenkrantz Tower, built in the 1560s, is a splendid example of a medieval defensive tower, while the regal Hakons Hall, constructed in the mid-13th century, was once the royal residence and the grandest building in the land. Each stone and timber in these buildings whispers tales of the past. But the fortress isn't just a relic of the past. It's a lively place where history meets the present. Today, it's a popular venue for concerts, ceremonies, and cultural events, adding a new layer of stories to its ancient walls. So, take a moment to wander, to explore, and to feel the weight of history that lingers in the air. At Bergenhus Fortress, the past and present coexist seamlessly. Dive into the underwater world at the Bergen Aquarium. This remarkable place is a treasure trove of marine life, offering a unique opportunity to get up close and personal with creatures from the deep. The aquarium is home to more than 300 species of fish and invertebrates, as well as a host of reptiles and birds. Each exhibit is carefully curated to mimic the natural habitats of these creatures, providing an authentic glimpse into the diversity of life beneath the waves. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with tropical fish to the icy waters of the Arctic, each tank is a window into a different underwater world. But the Bergen Aquarium is more than just a display of marine life. It's an interactive experience that invites you to engage with the wonders of the ocean. Touch tanks allow you to feel the roughness of a starfish or the smoothness of a sea cucumber. Daily feeding shows let you watch as sharks and rays glide through the water in pursuit of their meals. For those seeking a deeper understanding, the aquarium offers educational programs and workshops designed to inspire and inform. Learn about the threats facing our oceans, the importance of conservation, and what you can do to help. The Bergen Aquarium, a place to explore the mysteries of the deep. Immerse yourself in music at the Edvard Grieg Museum. This captivating location isn't merely a museum, it's a harmonious blend of culture, history, and music, all nestled in the picturesque locale of Trollhaugen, former home of the world-renowned composer Edvard Grieg. Grieg, a name synonymous with Norwegian music, left an indelible mark on the world with his enchanting compositions. Born in Bergen in the mid-19th century, Grieg's distinct style was deeply influenced by the folk tunes of his homeland, and his music continues to resonate with audiences around the world today. The Edvard Grieg Museum stands as a testament to this extraordinary man and his enduring legacy. Housed in his former residence, the museum offers a tangible connection to Grieg's life and works. As you wander through the rooms, you can almost hear the soft notes of his piano compositions wafting through the air, a silent symphony that tells a story of passion and creativity. One of the highlights of the museum is Grieg's composing hut, a small cabin where he penned some of his most famous works. Despite its modest size, the cabin brims with an inspiring aura, a glimpse into the creative process of a musical genius. But the museum isn't only about the past. It continues to breathe life into Grieg's music through live concerts, held in the concert hall, aptly named Trollsalen. Here, visitors can experience Grieg's compositions in a setting he would have approved of, overlooking the tranquil Nordnes lake and surrounded by the lush Norwegian landscape. It's a sensory feast, a blend of auditory and visual delights that transports you back in time. When you visit the Edvard Grieg Museum, you're not just visiting a place, you're stepping into a world of music, a world that Grieg once inhabited. It's an exploration of history, a celebration of culture, and a tribute to one of the greatest composers the world has ever known. The Edvard Grieg Museum, a symphony of history and culture. Experience the charm of yesteryears at the Old Bergen Museum. As we wander through this open-air museum, we're greeted by a delightful collection of 18th and 19th century buildings. Each one is a preserved piece of history, a testament to the craftsmanship and architectural styles of the past. They stand as time capsules, transporting us back to the days when Bergen was a bustling port city. What sets the Old Bergen Museum apart from your typical museum is the presence of costumed actors. As they go about their day, they bring the olden days to life right in front of our eyes. Whether it's a baker kneading dough in the traditional way, a blacksmith hammering away at his anvil, or children playing old-school games in the streets, it's as if history has come alive and we're right in the middle of it. These actors don't just perform for us, they interact with us. They invite us to join them in their daily tasks, offering us a hands-on experience of life in historic Bergen. It's an immersive journey that gives us a glimpse into what everyday life was like 2 centuries ago. But the Old Bergen Museum isn't just about the buildings and the actors. It's about the stories they tell, the insights they provide into a way of life that's long gone. As we stroll down the cobblestone streets, peek into the windows of the wooden houses, and chat with the local residents, we learn about the trades, traditions, and customs of the time. We discover the joys and challenges of the people who lived here, their dreams and their fears. And in doing so, we gain a deeper understanding of Bergen's rich history and cultural heritage. The Old Bergen Museum is more than a collection of old buildings. It's a living, breathing piece of history, a place where the past and the present meet. It's a place where we can step back in time and experience the charm and simplicity of a bygone era. It's a place that reminds us of where we've come from and how far we've come. The Old Bergen Museum, a trip down memory lane. Unwind amidst nature at Nordnes Park. This jewel of Bergen is nestled on a serene peninsula, a verdant oasis where the city meets the sea. Its unique location offers breathtaking views of the surrounding water, with the ebb and flow of the tide providing a soothing soundtrack to your visit. Nordnes Park is more than just a place, it's an experience. As you meander through its winding paths, you'll feel the worries of the world melting away. Here, the hustle and bustle of city life seem a world away, replaced by the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant sound of seagulls calling. It's a place where you can sit on a bench and watch the ships sail by, or simply lie on the grass and let the sun warm your face. The serenity of the park offers a welcome respite, a place to reflect and recharge before continuing on with your Bergen adventure. The park is a testament to Bergen's commitment to preserving its natural beauty, a commitment that is evident in every tree, every flower, and every blade of grass. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to breathe in the fresh air, and to truly appreciate the beauty of the natural world. So if you find yourself in Bergen, make sure to take some time to visit Nordnes Park. You won't regret it. After all, there's nothing quite like the peace and tranquility of nature to rejuvenate the soul. Nordnes Park, a haven of tranquility in the heart of the city. As the sun sets, Bergen lights up with a vibrant nightlife. An eclectic mix of bars, clubs, and live music venues spring to life, each offering a unique ambience and an array of experiences to suit every mood and preference. In the heart of the city, you'll find a multitude of inviting bars and pubs. From classic watering holes serving traditional Norwegian ales to trendy microbreweries pushing the boundaries with their innovative brews, there's something for every beer connoisseur. The city's craft beer scene is particularly noteworthy, with local breweries taking pride in their creative concoctions. If you're more inclined towards a lively club scene, Bergen has got you covered. The city is home to a number of nightclubs, each offering a unique atmosphere. Whether you prefer dancing the night away to the latest hits or relaxing to the soothing rhythms of jazz, you'll find a club that suits your taste. Not to be overlooked are Bergen's live music venues. A city known for its rich musical heritage, Bergen is a haven for music lovers. From intimate gigs at cozy bars to grand concerts at established music halls, every night is a celebration of music in this city. The local music scene is diverse, featuring everything from rock and pop to classical and jazz. It's not uncommon to stumble upon talented local bands or even internationally acclaimed artists performing on a regular basis. But the nightlife in Bergen is not all about music and drinks. The city also offers a variety of late-night dining options. From gourmet restaurants serving exquisite Norwegian cuisine to delightful street food stalls offering tasty bites, there's plenty to satisfy your late-night cravings. Bergen's nightlife is as diverse and vibrant as the city itself. It's a place where you can enjoy a quiet evening sipping a local brew, dance until the early hours, or lose yourself in a captivating musical performance. With its variety of experiences and welcoming atmosphere, Bergen's nightlife truly offers something for everyone. Bergen's nightlife, the perfect way to end your day in this enchanting city. And that wraps up our top 10 things to do in Bergen, Norway. From the storied wooden structures of Bryggen to the breathtaking views atop the Floyen funicular, there's a wealth of experiences waiting for you in this coastal city. Let's not forget the bustling fish market, the historic Bergenhus Fortress, and the engaging Bergen Aquarium. The city also boasts the Edvard Grieg Museum, a tribute to one of Norway's most celebrated composers, and the Old Bergen Museum, a step back into the past. Bergen is also a city of leisure, with Nordnes Park offering a calm retreat, and the vibrant nightlife providing a lively contrast. This is just a taste of what Bergen has to offer. We encourage you to dive deeper, explore further, and make your own memories in this beautiful city. What do you think about Bergen? We'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, subscribe for more travel inspiration. Safe travels, everyone.